Hello friends, welcome to our channel Prepare for Bank. I am excited about this new video for IBPS SO notification 2024 and will be sharing all the important details with you in this video. So friends, in this video we are going to cover about the important dates, post, eligibility criteria, fees detail, number of vacancies and then the exam details. So friends, let's get started with this video. First of all, we'll check on the important dates. So friends, over here the important dates are the online application or registration date for the candidates who are aspiring to give for the IBPS Specialist Officer exam. So these dates are 1st of August till 21st of August are the dates by which you can enroll for the IBPS SO. And apart from that, the fees that are also need to be paid, during this duration only when you are trying to apply for the IBPS SO exam. The download of the call letter will be available for the candidates in the month of October, and November there will be the preliminary exam, and after that the result of the preliminary exam will be out in the month of November or early December, so that the candidates who have passed the preliminary exams will be able to prepare and be ready for the mains exam by December. And after mains examination, the students who have qualified the mains examination, they will be appearing for the interview, and the results will be declared in the month of January or February next year, and the interview will be conducted by February or March 2025. And after once the interview is being conducted, then the provisional allotment will be done in the April 2025. So friend, this is the complete process of the IBPS Specialist Officer selection, and these are the dates by which we have to keep on checking for the IBPS website for any latest update. So friends, in Specialist Officer there are different kinds of posts for which a candidate can apply, and we can select for only one of the posts, not for the multiple posts. So over here in IBPS, these are the specialist posts like IT officer, agriculture field officer, Rajbhasha Adhikari, law officer, HR or personal officers, and marketing officers. All are these for the scale 1. Now let's move on to the eligibility criteria for these posts. So friends, the eligibility criteria given for these posts is similar to the IBPS PO exam, and it's like minimum years of age is 20 years and maximum is 30 required. Now next, the education criteria, as in the education criteria differs for each of the post, and based on the education you can apply for those posts. So let's see for the IT officer scale 1. IT officer, the IBPS notification have given the eligibility criteria of education is an engineering degree or a technical degree in computer science, information technology, or a postgraduate degree or a DOEC B level. And for agriculture field officer, the 4 years agriculture degree is must. Now next is for the Rajbhasha Adhikari, that is for having a degree of postgraduate in Hindi with English as in subject at the graduation level, or the postgraduate degree in Sanskrit with English and Hindi as a subject at the degree graduation level. Next, for the law officers, the law officer should be LLB passed and enrolled as an advocate with the Bar Council. For HR and personal officers, the graduate and 2 years full-time postgraduate degree or 2 years full-time postgraduate diploma in personal management, industry relation, HR, and likewise. For marketing officer, the graduation degree and 2 years of full-time marketing and MBA in marketing, or the 2 years full PG DBA, DBM and PGM PGDM with specialization in marketing. So this is the education qualification that is required for the officer scale 1 for different posts. Now next is the fee detail. Over here in IBPS specialist officer, the fees are also same for the application, that is 850 for others and 175 for SC, ST, PWD candidates. Now next is the number of vacancies. So friends, for each and every post there are different number of vacancies, and different banks have expressed their number of vacancies with the IBPS. So over here the total number of vacancies that are available for the agriculture field officer is 346. For HR personnel it's 25. For IT officer it's 170, and for law officer it's 125. For marketing officer is 205 candidates, and for Rajbhasha Adhikari it's 25. So friends, out of these, most of these vacancies are with the Punjab National Banks. And related to the exam details for the syllabus and the exam format, will come up with a new video shortly, and we'll discuss in detail for the exam details over there in the new video. So if you have not subscribed this channel, do subscribe it, so that like you will get the notification for the upcoming videos. And if you have any questions or comment, do mention, will answer your questions or comment accordingly. Thank you friends.